In the year of our Lord, 1692, a small town nestled in the wilderness of Massachusetts, Salem Village, was gripped by an eerie and unsettling fear. The townsfolk, once known for their resilience and faith, now lived in a state of constant unease. It was a time of hardship, with crops failing and the cold New England winters taking a heavy toll. Tensions ran high, and rumors of witchcraft began to circulate, fueled by the malicious whispers of the tormented. Among the first to be accused was a woman named Tituba, a servant of a local family. She was of Caribbean descent and spoke of dark powers that the Puritans could not comprehend. Her confession, extracted under duress, set in motion a chain of events that would leave Salem Village in ruins. As the accusations grew, so too did the panic. Young girls, once the embodiment of innocence, began to convulse and cry out in the night, pointing fingers at their neighbors. The accusers, tormented by unseen forces, were deemed to be under the spell of the witches. The town's leaders, Reverend Samuel Parris, and local magistrates, were quick to act. Trials were held in the village square, with the accused forced to endure public humiliation and torment. If found guilty, they were hanged as witches, their bodies left to rot as a warning to others. One of the most infamous cases was that of Bridget Bishop, a widow known for her fiery temper and independence. She was the first to be hanged, her final words a defiant "I am no witch" echoing through the crowd. The trials continued, claiming the lives of over 200 people, including men, women, and even children. The hysteria eventually subsided, but the memory of the Salem witch trials would forever stain the history of Massachusetts. It wasn't until many years later that the truth began to emerge. The afflicted girls were revealed to have been suffering from a rare neurological disorder, causing their symptoms to mimic those of witchcraft. The victims, innocent souls taken from their families and communities, were finally given the justice they deserved. The Salem witch trials serve as a stark reminder of the power of fear and the dangers of blind faith. They highlight the darker side of human nature, the ease with which we can be swayed by suspicion, and the devastating consequences that can result from such hysteria. Today, Salem stands as a testament to the past, a town that once held the lives of so many in its hands and let them slip away. The memories of the trials linger, a haunting reminder of a time when fear and suspicion held sway. But in the face of such darkness, there is also a lesson to be learned, that truth and justice must always prevail, even in the darkest of times.